So we are going to start our next topic, that is Joule's law of heating today. So James Prescott Joule was the man behind this Joule's law of heating. So Joule told about law of energy conservation and law of thermodynamics that actually recognizes that heat is a form of energy, and that law we are going to read. So this man told that whenever a wire is getting some current from some source, then it will get heated. So that was called as Joule's law of heating, since it was given by him only. So we are going to read that topic, but before that we must learn that what are some other effects of current, what other things current can do. So these are known as effects of an electric current. So let us discuss one by one what are these effects of current, what three effects of current are there, what current can do three terms. So first is heating effects of electric current. Heating effects means whenever current is passed through a wire, it becomes hot. Like if you keep on charging your mobile for a long time, then this mobile also gets heated up. And your bulb, if you touch bulb or tube light for glowing from some time, then you feel that it's also becoming hot. Chemical effects of current that you have learned in your this chapter number 1 also. During the electrolysis of water, whenever some electric current is passed through water, it gets electrolyzed, that is, it dissociates into H2 and O2. Next is magnetic effects of electric current. This you have learned in your junior classes. Like if you take an iron nail and you just wrap some copper wire around it, and around these turns you put some battery source, put some energy source, and you keep on passing the current for a long time, then this wire will behave as a magnet. So these are the three effects of electric current. So students, we will be doing heating effects of electric current as per this chapter, this electricity chapter. Magnetic effects we are going to do in next chapter. So in this video we are going to do application part of this heating effects. So these are the devices from daily life that are based on Joule's law of heating. Whatever energy or electric current we supply to them, they utilizes that electric current and convert that form of energy into heat energy. And this heat energy is taken up by us for doing various kind of work. So whatever energy we are giving to a device, that is being converted into from one form to another. Next is this juicer, mixer and grinder. When you use the small churning churning container, this is grinder actually, this is used to grind condiments, spices, मसालाज, जो भी आपके ड्राई मसाला होते हैं उनको चर्न करने के लिए हम ये ग्राइंडर यूज़ करते हैं. एंड when you try to churn hard condiments, जब आप ये खड़े मसाले जब आप पीसते हो and you keep on churning this spices for a long time, then what happens, then this jar becomes very hot, and sometimes if you do not stop the mixer or grinder in between, then it becomes so hot that it's unable to touch this grinder. So that is also an application of Joule's law of heating. Phone, mobile charger we have already done, that gets heat up. So these were the basic application based on Joule's law of heating, or any other device that you see, that you feel that that get heated up on the passage of current, so that utilizes Joule's law of heating. Now students, you might be wondering why I have added this lightning part in this, because that lightning is also based on Joule's law of heating, that also follows the Joule's law of heating, because lightning happens when clouds carrying immense amount of charge, जब दो clouds बहुत ज़्यादा amount में charge carry करते हैं, and when they collide with each other, then there is a massive transference of electric charge. बहुत सारा चार्ज ट्रांसफ़र हो जाता है, और वो जो चार्ज होता है वो डिसिपेट हो जाता है, लीक हो जाता है टूवर्ड्स द ग्राउंड. दैट ह्यूज अमाउंट ऑफ चार्ज इज गोइंग टू प्रोड्यूस lots of heat energy, and that sometimes cause mishappenings on the earth also. So जो इलेक्ट्रिक चार्जेस थे, जो इलेक्ट्रिक करंट फ्लो कर रहा था इन क्लाउड्स के थ्रू, वो एक्चुअली क्या हुआ, वो एक्चुअली रिलीज हो गया ऑन द ग्राउंड इन द फॉर्म ऑफ हीट. So charge is converting into heat, so that also is an application of Joule's law of heating. So this is stratostrophic application of Joule's law of heating. So all these devices that we have been discussing, like all these things, so one thing was common in between all these things, that heat energy is released. So do we require heat energy only for the electrical energy that we supply to the devices? No, sometimes not. Like in this example, this juicer, mixer, grinder, we do not need heat. Neither we want light energy nor we want heat energy. So what do we want? We want here mechanical work. तो हम क्या कहना चाह रहे हैं यहाँ पर कि जो भी इलेक्ट्रिकल एनर्जी है वो यहाँ हमें मैकेनिकल एनर्जी की फॉर्म में चाहिए, ना कि हीट एनर्जी की फॉर्म में चाहिए. तो ये हीट एनर्जी आई ही क्यों? ये हमारे किसी काम की नहीं है. सिमिलरली यहाँ पर आपको हीट एनर्जी ज़्यादा मिल रही है, लाइट या कुछ मैकेनिकल वर्क नहीं मिल रहा. यहाँ पे भी सेम हीट एनर्जी ज़्यादा है, यहाँ पे भी यही हीट एनर्जी ज़्यादा है. यहाँ पर हमें मैकेनिकल या कुछ हीट ये नहीं चाहिए हमें, यहाँ पर हमें लाइट एनर्जी चाहिए और यहाँ पर भी हमें हीट एनर्जी चाहिए. तो अलग अलग डिवाइस की अलग अलग नीड है कि वो इलेक्ट्रिकल एनर्जी को किस तरह से यूटिलाइज़ करेगा ताकि वो हमारे लिए यूज़फुल हो जाए, यूज़फुल वर्क करके दे हमें. तो वो डिपेंड करता है कि आपने एक पर्टिकुलर डिवाइस में क्या हीटिंग एलिमेंट यूज़ किया है, क्या आपने मटेरियल यूज़ किया है उसके इंटरनल सर्किटरी में, उसके ऊपर डिपेंड करता है कि वेदर यू वांट टू डू सम मैकेनिकल वर्क, वेदर यू वांट टू हैव सम हीट एनर्जी मोर एज़ कम्पेयर टू लाइट एनर्जी और रिवर्स ऑफ दैट. सो डिपेंडिंग अपॉन दैट वी विल यूज़ दैट काइंड ऑफ मटेरियल इनसाइड द सर्किट. बट मेन पॉइंट इज़ कि वो हीट एनर्जी जो है वो आ कहाँ से रही है, वो कहाँ से आ रही है? दैट इज़ कमिंग फ्रॉम इलेक्ट्रिकल एनर्जी ओनली. हीट एनर्जी, मैकेनिकल एनर्जी, लाइट एनर्जी, all these forms are coming from electrical energy. So that electrical energy is converted to other forms of energy and we are using that other forms of energy for different kind of devices.